One small but important new addition to 3D Coat as of build 4.8.13 is the new highlighting within the sculpting environment. When you select a layer, you'll notice in the viewport that it's highlighted. It's quite faint by default, but still noticeable. If you want to change that for whatever reason, you can go to the Geometry menu, about 2/3 of the way down, under Highlight, and you can change it. Or, if you want, you can turn it off altogether. Let's do that now. If I were to select the head, for example, nothing happens. So let's go back to the Geometry menu. Under Highlight, we will check that, and then we will click Highlight Settings. But before I go any further, I just want to mention the highlight selected allows you to highlight no matter where your cursor is in the UI. Let's go ahead and adjust our settings, and we will see that in practice. As you move your cursor about, you'll see as you mouse over any of these parameters that it's giving you some kind of visual indication as to what the new change will look like. Let's change it to something that's more noticeable, such as red. Hit OK. We can adjust the duration, but the default seems to be quite appropriate. We don't really want a strobing effect, but if you did, you could alter the frequency here, which is set at 1 by default. Amplitude is the strength of the highlight. Let's increase it till it's very noticeable. And then hit OK. Even if we already have the layer selected, if we're still not sure, or maybe we didn't quite see the highlight, we can still click it again, and each successive click will highlight it. Or alternatively, you could hit that hotkey that we saw in the Geometry menu here, F11, anywhere in the UI to see what is selected. Okay, so that's a very quick look at the new highlight system in 3D Coat's Sculpting Workspace. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.